Piny owacho olando ni namba dinkruok mag Nyamburko ma itiyo godo sani duto owinjo wil. Giwacho ni gimiyo weg Nyamburko dweche 18 mar timo lokruok machalo kod ma ka chendo ni biro kao siling 3,000 kuom wuon Nyamburko ka Nyamburko madwani mondo wil namba dinkruok mar Nyamburko mare.
Hence, a complete integration between the data sets at NTSA and other data sets as it were in terms of
if you want to monitor the movement of vehicles within and across the borders, what you are doing today is actually very historic. Secondly, you know, Kenya is actually a transit hub whereby vehicles are coming by ship, coming to our country, into landlocked countries, you know, in the region. And so if you don't have a proper monitoring system, tracking system, we shall have a lot of issues in terms of, you know, fraud and so forth.
As you know, as government, one of the main promises we made to Kenyans is that we are going to be digital and that we're going to ensure that the way we use our data, the way we use our information is going to make life easier and better for everybody. And so today is a major milestone to see this production facility, which is now bringing to life or even bringing our vehicles and making them finally digital.
the new plates are assisting us to synchronize the data sets that we have so that we not only have accurate identity of the vehicles, but we'll also have accurate information on the background and origins and ownership of the motor vehicles. With this, I am confident that if this is fully implemented and followed, I have no reason to believe that there are Kenyans who will not want to do that. We will deal with tax evasion sometimes at the point of entry, the importation of motor vehicles. We will bring an end now to selling of motor vehicles that are stolen from other jurisdictions, so that we are addressing both a transcontinental problem in the movement of motor vehicles and also a transnational problem.